In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new archive folder in Microsoft Outlook. This is a quick, reliable way to keep your inbox tidy while still keeping important messages close at hand. If you're aiming for better email organization or just want a cleaner inbox, this simple method will make a noticeable difference. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Microsoft Outlook website. If you're not signed in yet, enter your login details to continue. You may see a prompt along the way. Just click Next to proceed. After that, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard, which is where all your mail and folders are visible. Now, look over to the left side of your screen. This is your folder pane, and it shows your inbox, sent items, and other categories. Scroll down through this list until you find the Archive section. Depending on how many folders you already have, Archive may be closer to the bottom of the panel. Take a moment to hover your mouse over the word Archive. When you do, you should see a small three-dot menu icon appear next to it. Click those three dots to open the menu. From the options that appear, choose Create New Subfolder. This tells Outlook that you want to create a folder inside the Archive section, which is perfect for separating different types of messages while keeping them out of your main inbox. After selecting Create New Subfolder, Outlook will prompt you to name it. Pick a name that makes it obvious what belongs there. Clear names save time later. For example, Work Projects is great for anything related to your job, while Personal works well for messages from friends and family. You might also choose names based on clients, departments, or topics, whatever will be most intuitive to you. Keep names short but specific so you can spot them at a glance. Once you confirm the name, your new Archive subfolder appears immediately under Archive, ready to use. From here, you can start moving emails into it, so those messages are out of your inbox but still easy to find. This small step goes a long way toward keeping your mailbox organized, reducing clutter, and helping you focus on what matters. If you find this helpful, you can repeat the same process later to create additional subfolders for other categories you want to sort. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. If this video helped you, please leave a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching.